Let's have a look at the in-order tree walk. So in-order tree walk is a recursive algorithm working on a binary tree. And so what does it do? It first processes the left tree, then the node as such, and then the right subtree. So initially we will start at the root, meaning that we'll be looking at the full tree. Then we're going to do an in-order tree walk on the left subtree, so the subtree starting at the left child. That in turn will recursively call an in-order tree walk on the left child of the left child, which is then simply on this subtree only containing a 3. That in turn will call an in-order tree walk on the left child of 3, but the left child of 3 is none. So then for the none node, this algorithm does nothing, and then we're back to 3 and simply print the 3. We will be doing an in-order tree walk on the right child, but it's again none, and then we're done processing with the in-order tree walk on this node 3. So we're back to the 7. We finished the in-order tree walk on the left child of 7. So next we're going to print the key of this node, which is 7. Then we go to the right child. The right child is a tree with a 10. We're going to print 10. Now we're done processing the subtree with rooted at the 7. That finishes the in-order tree walk of the left child of the root of the node with a 13. So that means next we're going to print the 13, and then we continue on with an in-order tree walk on the right child of 13, and there we just have the 20. We're going to print it, and we are done.